What's up, YouTube? Happy 4th of July to everyone and their family. God bless. Hope everyone is doing fine. I'm doing a light little barbecue today. Nothing big. Cause we already cooked up a whole bunch of food yesterday. So just to get that July 4th spirit going. I'm trying to keep this fire lit. I'm doing things natural, no lighter fluid. So I try to put charcoal and a little bit of the wood. See, I gotta find this thing. Comment down below, let me know what everyone doing for the 4th. It's sad, I'm sorry about what happened in Chicago. It's sad to hear that. I hope everybody start moving better, man. There's too much foolishness going on, unnecessary. So, hope everyone and their loved one is doing fine. Wish y'all the best. Enjoy this little bit of content. It's something light, Tomorrow's back to work. Yesterday I had to cut the lawn. I did a little cutting. I gotta do all this shit over. All that wood got water damage. See the garden, I ain't even plant nothing. Usually I'll plant some peppers and scallions and stuff. Just a little rose plant. This I usually fill this up with sunflower seeds on the top, water on the bottom for the birds. But it's been a while. I gotta clean up. Notice these two trees meeting in my backyard. These are like the two biggest trees. Did a little bit of grooming here too. So you got a nice sized backyard and this is where I usually plant my stuff. I gotta do some more gardening. Fire blaze up, so everything's starting to look good. Look like I might not need the lighter fluid after all. I'm not doing much editing. I'm just gonna do like raw footage. So bear with me. bore y'all with this fire thing, so I'll catch y'all in a minute when I'm about to drop everything. Peace. Hello. I'm just buttering up this grill. Look at that. So what is going on the grill? Sorry about this. Grab some water. So ready to go. So excuse me, because I gotta be doing everything. I don't have no camera guy. So bear with me with the footage and the camera dizziness. Blaze on that. Yeah, see what time it is. Something light. clear. Let your temperature go up. It's burning like a furnace. That thing sizzle. Trust me. The picture or the video doesn't define justice. Like, this actually tastes better than it looks. You don't believe me? Try it. I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. I'm trying to keep the fish together, but I'm gonna try my best not to break him anymore. I couldn't find the string, y'all. You show him how to find that shit. Shit camouflage. And that's a tape. Let me take some of that footage. I got the camera upside down, eh? It's like a half footage. You didn't get it yet? I wanna see how monster this shit is. Alright. Let me get it while they letting this shit in. Yes, sir! It's about to go down. Alrighty. Feels nothing. love that one. Clear out like Times Square. Yo, we done. That's it. We done. That's it, y'all. I'll see y'all in the house. Well, y'all let me sit these up. Playing, look at that shit smoke. Yo, let that big shit up. Let that big shit up.
I gotta be up with something on.
You're afraid to let it off, y'all. This little box. Look at it. You want me to do it?
So it's up to you if you do. You gotta reach release.
I don't think it's gonna swirl, bro.
Make sure the base. Yeah, the base stuff.
Where's the side though?
I ain't gonna lie.
Where's the string for this one? This one don't have this. Where's the string, cuz? Let me see how I position this shit. Yeah, we back. What you said to the people, them like, you want big up shout out to your Instagram or something?
Nah, not right now. Not until it's flaming, you know?
Okay, how you enjoyed the 4th of July?
Enjoy it good, man. You don't know.
Okay.
Rastafari.
Blessings.
Blessings.
What you say, cuz?
Ready.
Ready? Alrighty.
You might want to back up a little faster. Back up.
Back up. It's just pretty. This one don't really make too much of a sound. You know? It's just pretty. Everybody empty in their box. Watch it. Watch it. It was just nice and quick. Yeah. Now you blow it up.
He's telling him to hold on. He's going closer to the thing to blow. You know you're hard-headed, right?
That's not a bum, bro. It's not a bum. Yeah, when you walk into it. And if it was, right, I'm an electrician, I could probably try to.
You would have jumped back. Like, oh, shit.
Disconnect it right now. I'm playing. I'm kidding, guys.
Nah, that shit dangerous.
We just worried, that's all. I should go catch some of that footage in the front. Yeah, I know they getting me too. Gotta smoke them up. Gotta smoke them up. Smoke bomb, right? Smoke bomb. It's the humbleable. You gotta do some work, but got space. I was gonna put a pool back here, y'all. Like one of them little portable pools that you could just fill it up with water. Put a cover on it. What y'all think? Comment down below. Let me know if that's a good idea or not. Or I could do something else with this space. I'll see y'all in a minute. I ain't want to bore y'all with this action. Oh, this the one with the baby ones, right? Watch it.
Hey, take this off.
The other one I had was better than that. Cause shit was like a... It's gonna pull up. It's nice. I love that one. Okay, it make you keep sleeping on it. It's like a gun. You just gotta blow it up. You wanna bring that one in the street if it swirls? But
Oh, shit, there's...
that's a plane, y'all. I'm sorry I ain't get to zoom in. Just chilling, having a beer. Blue moon. see it because of the trees. Hold on, we bringing the action. Don't worry, we bringing the action. Let's see, get some of the big shit. Look at that. Get some real content for y'all. What's up, what's up? I let these off already. Yeah, they make our shit look small though.
Nah, these shits is what they got. You know what I was thinking about too? They have to shoot up in the air, so if you look straight up, I don't want it to hit trees. You feel me?
Oh yeah, so do it right here.
Yeah, I'm not doing it right here.
There's something wrong, bro. You're too quiet right now.
For me?
Hell yeah.
You sound too quiet?
No, I said we too quiet. There's some bullshit. Let the bullshit off.
This one?
Hell yeah. You gotta focus and look. I will put it somewhere here.
I don't want it to chip in on one of those leaves.
Nah, it's not dry. You know? You see, like, if you do it like this, you gotta focus it like a sniper. Like, cause you know the wind gonna carry it a certain way. You don't want it too close to the house either, you know?
Think you got it right there good?
I will put it closer to the square.
You sure? I feel like it's definitely
right here somewhere. Yeah, right there, safe. From the house and from everything. You see it, right?
You sure?
Look at the other house. You gotta think about everybody.
It's just that tree. I don't want it to hit that tree.
Nah, it's good money. Cause you don't want to do it in the street and then, you know, it hit somebody's car.
Don't be right next to you. Y'all gonna have to run over here.
I see you set that up.
So wait, yeah, this is the fuse. I don't even know how to like this shit fully.
It should be like a little string right here.
Yeah. Well, I gotta open this
it?
part right here too.
You do or no?
Nah, I think so.
Nah, don't do it if you don't.
Nah, I think I do. So that I can shoot up.
The real content is in the front. What's happening, bro? What's happening, Brody?
Alright. Look, Jay, look, hold on. Y'all don't want to come up here before you leave?
Nah, I feel like it'd be dangerous up there.
Oh.
Just, you gonna run back there.
Oh, we got fireworks right here.
Bro, you better
That's
off
good.
down here.
It's not lit fireworks. You good?
No, I'm saying this.
What? Oh, right there?
Yeah, I should move that. But if the sparks hit that.
Nah, it's gonna pull up over there. It's gonna be Gucci. I'm just scared of this tree. Bro. That's what I'm scared
I
of.
don't know. I don't know if this is the right way.
Yo, stop being nervous. Just set this shit off.
So,
Stop following this little baby. This baby.
Jay, finalize it. Which place? You right here, good?
Yeah, right there is fine. Alright, set it off.
Where you gonna be over here?
Yeah, come over here, it's better. You can hide behind the if that shit get too crazy. Look,
Alright, I'm about to light it.
I'm trying to catch the angle. I'm like a video man right now. Hold on. I gotta finish the beer. You wanna wait till it quiet there, you set it up?
Or you wanna do it in the street. And the street would have been the safest.
That's what I'm saying.
You wanna do it in the street.
Yeah, I don't think right here. is
People
safe.
cars, bro.
Yeah, but alright.
At least
Like this,
here
once
is
I
more.
light it,
It's more of a
and it's
secure
a lot. It's warm.
little area. Cause look, if it shoot up, then it's different. But we don't know what's this like.
Yeah, it is. It shoots up. Straight. It goes up all the way there. That's what I'm saying, Jay. That's why I was. Yeah, that's what I'm
Put
saying.
it on the square then. I will put that motherfucker on the square.
Yo, I know that shit.
Put him on the square. Yeah. Alright.
Wait, hold on. I hear Bobby line.
No, you good. They're just making sure everything's secure. Look, go ahead.
You sure the square? Cause Jay, come Jay, stand right here. And look at the tree. Tell me if like,
Bro,
I'm like stand on top.
the tree is all the way over here. Look,
But the tip of the
you
tree.
gotta watch the house. Look at the tip of the house. That's what I'm watching. Fuck everything else. You gotta watch the tip of the house.
Alright,
You trying to set the house on fire. Look at the tip of the house, yo. You don't see that tip?
It's 15 shots. Just so you know.
So go ahead, let it rip.
Yo, Jilla, are you ready? You ready enough?
Yeah, we born ready, bro. Are you ready?
Come on. 3,
2,
You're
1.
lying. The nigga line not even lying. You're not even paying attention.
I'm looking. But you gotta back up.
Go ahead,
Yo,
do it, bro.
God damn, I'm so
I
scared.
gotta catch the content.
Yo, I'm so scared.
Bro, come on.
Alright, so alright, I got y'all. Okay, I'm telling you, it's gonna be big. It's a big.
Yeah.
Bro, you don't hear all that big shit? You scared of like this little box, man? Hey. I know, bro. That's like A1 spot. That was good. Cause look, I'm watching.
Give it time.
Yeah, let it cool down, huh?
Because you don't know, sometimes it'll be a delayed shot.
That shit was nice. He said it was
Like the kids back there. Yo.
That's what it's about, yo. You gotta end it off like that, end the night like that.
Got some more.
Nah, that was good though. That was good. You fucked with it?
Grab the Beyond.
This shit. What is it? This one?
Yeah,
This one go like this. It twirl in the air.
yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good one too. I just set this one off too.
Okay, ready for this
I
one?
thought you got one of these, right? Bring it so you can see it. You heard? Bring, go beyond. Bring that one.
Look, do you see the box thing, right?
Yeah. It's beautiful out here. Everybody letting off fireworks. It sound like Vietnam or some shit. But it's nice. It's beautiful. It's not as humid as the other days we had these past days. My little cousin and them coming out to let off some more fireworks. So stand by.